I'm going to show you how to load your dirty dishes into the dishwasher. So if you've eaten a meal or had snacks, you can help out by just putting your plates and glasses right into the dishwasher. Go ahead and open up the dishwasher. We're going to start with my top rack, and we're going to put in this green mug first. It's a little larger and it fits right here in the corner. Then we're going to go ahead and put the sauce dishes in. And then we're going to go ahead and fill it with glasses. And here's the lid, can fit right in along the side there. All right, we have the top shelf. Good. Now we're going to go with the middle shelf, and we're going to put in the silverware. And I put the eating part of the silverware up so that it gets cleaned better. Here's the spatula. And we have a plate. And there we are. We have just loaded the dishwasher, and this would help out any time of the day if you can help put your dirty dishes.